Whoa, 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 whoa. Get what country where they call whoa, Niji, Nigeria, Nigeria, Kauniria, Woniria, Woniria. Then be the country where I find myself as my nationality. I dey regret wetin make me come become in Nigeria. It depend me. Listen to me. Some people don't know the problem of this country. Why this country can never change. Why this country has become a fair state. Why this country has become a fair nation. Some people never know why. And if you know one know, if you know listen, now why they talk, you know go no. The main problem where country this world area get now corruption. Now that corruption, now they kill them. Listen to me, because if you know they hear what at the talk, if I talk, some people go say me, I don't know what at the talk. Or some people will no go reason, you no go reason, no say the actual problem with this war country. The war where they make the country, where make country within a bit today. Now the failure of the leaders where they put there, well, now they vote, no, now they cause them. No be every year person will come say you be politician, you go vote for that seat. Now corruption now be the country. Okay, look at country where they celebrate corruption. Corrupt people. Now corruption then they celebrate for that country. I go put my eye for this your finger if you know he won't hear it now they talk. What will be the problem of Nigeria? Now corruption. Look at country where they celebrate corruption. Go for Japan. Japan, person be corrupt. Because if the person find himself corrupt, you go kill himself, hang himself. For just even mistakenly, he find himself, he's corrupt by himself, he kill himself. For China, then they kill him. If they find you say you're a corrupt government, you are one of the corrupt politicians, they kill you. For Europe, they find you corrupt, you go live jail, they go put you long time in jail. For Nigeria, see celebration. You see person where they find as corrupt leader. Tomorrow, the party go present them as their presidential candidate, as their gubernatorial candidate, as their candidate, somebody where they find guilty of corruption, somebody where you know say he loot all the whole money where belong to the nation, somebody where you find guilty for corruption, then go maneuver them. Man no man. You know waiting there now. One no man. They go just maneuver them from jail where they put them before, you know, they go release them. Then go maneuver and give them position, give them leader of the party. Organize them, he can become party chairman, or he can become party president, or become speaker of the become House of the Assembly. They will put them for their way. Now corruption is the problem of the country. They think they vex me because this country where I find myself, it depends me why they make me find myself inside the country. What country? When they what they go, when no get any way to do something, become better. They know they even pain the leader, say the thing have country they go there. You know they pain them. The way they happy, the way they would enjoy, the way they talk, the way they go they do something. You go see say these people no get ambition, no get plan. They know one, they happy when they see the country, they were all like that. But the way be youth, where they grow up, where they born for this country, they pen out because they don't know our image in the spoil. Children when we born, how go they tell them this kind of story? See, our country no get hope. Our country in a fair state. Our country in a fair country. Because of your war leader, what we get. Heartless leader. Tribalism, person will come. You go to find only the people. They're talking for that place. You know one care. Whether we are dying, whether people are dying, whether people are complaining, whether people are you just the pack only his tribal people, his religion people. Tell me how that country will go forward. Why can't you go for the best and find a way, this solution? Listen to the people where you the rule. Listen for people where be the member of this country. Unite people, bring together with one mind, one voice. The country will go forward. How tell me say this kind of country will go forward? This my eye, I go be like say I go put them for that eyes of those leaders, of those evil leaders, those corrupt leaders. Okay, look at people where they for that seat. This way Nigeria, This is when Nigeria become independent. Me, I think say that the Northerners, they rule Nigeria. Fulani people. Okay, look at him, Fulani children. See Amajiri children. Look at the hungry, they beat them. Look at the way, open all this corruption, the whole money where they corrupt. All this corruption where you see. Now from the same tribe, the same people where they rule this country. And because now them get way of maneuvering this money. Now then they the top position. Check out any person from southeast or south where get corruption. You must see the leader of that corruption must be the Northerners. Then tell me what is going on. They are still leading. See, their children are still on hunger. Their families are still on hunger. They are dying in hunger. They are dying on hunger. You see children pack. See, look at children. Look at the way they pack. They beg for food to eat, even food, ordinary food. People where they rule for how many years? How many years this country they now? Now then get the power. If they know mistakenly another person enter, now then go be the vice. If they know be the leader. And all the position that they give them. And if the people will enter, they go see patronize them. Because it can't be like saying they claim saying that this country belongs to them. And the people where one go, you know, go leave them. So what thing they happen, my people? And the verse, I go strangle person, where the verse, Waiting the vest me, no be say because of their leader. Waiting the vest me be say me, man. Waiting kukuma bring me, make me to be this country where they call Nigeria. Waiting bring me inside. I think with the vest me, my head, the ball off. Oh my God, what is going on, sir? Waiting make me to be called in Nigeria. He depend me, depend me. People go the rule country. They claim say na them be the born to rule. They claim say the country belong to them. The country. But to you where they rule. You dey pack all the money where belong to the country. We go take my country better. Take them. They load for abroad. They give other people. They take them make their country. Your children go remain in hunger. They go there. They no get food to eat. They go there. The most poorest. The poor person poor. They say you no get food to eat. Which kind human being are you? You are a leader of a country. The money they come, they pack them, they load them, they find, they put them, they go abroad. Go they give you, they take them, they refine their country, they infrastructure for their country. Your country go there. If you get sick, you go run. They fly you from private jet. Go to abroad. Go treat yourself. Even a leader of a country, how many times you don't go take a treatment for abroad? Which kind of country be this? Waiting there for about we no go fit do for your country. How much it go cost to build at least one hospital where government build? Make your people free. All this, only Nigeria go see say person the sick, you want die nearly to death. They bring a hospital. Doctor say if you no deposit money, you no go do anything. The person go die for president of doctor. For people there, you go die. Pregnant woman, you go there, you go rush, go hospital, the person they labor, you want die, the labor they serious, the doctor, please treat the money go, you say la they not deposit money, the woman go die, the children go die inside your belly. We can't contribute this. They no get sympathy, they are heartless people where they rule this country. And they regret, waiting the pay me, no be the leader, waiting the pay me, now waiting make God put me for this kind of country. Why not create me, go another country? If for better for me, even if it's China, be if na chow, I go to speak and they go, no problem. Then go to progress, then they progress. They allow them say that their language, their face be like this, but all of them, now them get sense. They do something. Their government, look at the way their government come, carry all those politicians. That thing will go for Nigeria. Good mass. That is much clearer and need for Nigeria. Me, I think that the thing where this can government go. I don't say just come to rob, to bring in people for position, just to fight for food and people. Now be their own fight where APC come to fight for this country. No, they are fighting now just to organize the food and need people. They give them position, put them for total position. All the thing where they follow, all the contract where they give. Now listen, now food and nation. Then go bring them from this one, go to your brother where they will be Niger Republic, will be also food and me. They go read our railway, go give them. Put train, nowhere. Other place, nowhere. You go carry state, we no get any, never they produce anything for the economy. Carry railway, put there. Train, you go they run, nobody they enter train, empty train. People where place will be like, on a shaman market, area, road for Port Harcourt road, where you go food, where you go generate money, where go bring, make economy grow up. You know, go put railway there because you hate, because of hatred. Then what are you doing there? You're not capable. You people are not capable of being in that position. You people are supposed to even get vest for yourself, resign. Even just resign. Now within few things, that the House of Assembly now was on about. I don't talk and plenty time. Within the day there, and just they play chorus. They're going to sing. You know, people wait until they sing, they play chorus for them. Because now they're supposed to impeach this kind of government where they bring destruction, insecurity, and the poverty to the country, bad name to the country. Now impeachment now for the pay them. They pay them. You go get power. That power, so we're not supposed to get them. People like this come failure government. We're not going to pay them. Even if they don't need to impeach, person will not say they fail, you don't fail the country. Disgrace all your promise where you may know one day. Nothing the work. The best thing that just for you to come, say, my people, make on an over, even ask us to forgive you before you resign. Just resign. That's the only thing. I go put my iPhone or this my finger, I go put on for person. If you make me verse, I better come up for here, John. I don't know. What did make me become wait, please. Nobody should call me a Nigerian. I'm a Biafra, okay? Don't ever call me a Nigerian. I'm a Biafra, okay? Listen to me. I'm a Biafra. I'm a Biafran, not a Nigeria. Okay? Do you hear me? Simple and short. Go and sit down, George. Shameless.